everyone! Today we'll learn how to place a takeaway order on the POS system. Step 1. Select Quick Order. From the POS home screen, tap Quick Order to enter the ordering page. Step 2. Choose Takeaway mode. On the right side of the ordering page, select the Takeaway option. On the left side, tap the dishes you'd like to order. The selected items will automatically appear in the pending order list. Step 3. Proceed to checkout. Once all dishes are selected, tap Checkout to proceed to payment. The system will automatically calculate and display the packaging fee, or allow manual input depending on the store's backend settings. Whether a packaging fee is charged and how it's applied depends entirely on the store's configuration. Step 4. Complete payment. Once the customer completes payment, tap Complete, and the order will be successfully submitted. The system will automatically print the customer receipt. If kitchen printing is enabled, the printer will generate a kitchen ticket. If the kitchen is equipped with KDS, the screen will instantly display the ordered items. You can then proceed to take the next customer's order right away. The whole process is fast and efficient, making takeaway ordering easy and smooth with LuckyPOS.